Hello, traders! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most popular and effective financial market indicators out there, the Supertrend Indicator. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to set it up, the best settings for different time frames, how to interpret it for buy and sell signals, and even how to use it alongside other indicators. Let's get started. What is the Supertrend Indicator? It's a powerful tool designed to help traders identify the prevailing trend direction in the market. It overlays on your price chart and changes color based on the trend direction, green for an uptrend and red for a downtrend. This visual clarity makes it a favorite among traders for its simplicity and effectiveness. Setting up the Supertrend in TradingView. First, open TradingView and select your desired chart. Next, go to the Indicators tab at the top of the screen. In the search bar, type Supertrend and click on it in the list to add it to your chart. You should now see the Supertrend line overlaying your price chart. Best settings for different time frames. For the best results, you'll want to adjust the settings based on your trading time frame. For shorter time frames like 5-minute or 15-minute charts, use a lower ATR, average true range, multiplier, and period. I recommend starting with an ATR period of 10 and a multiplier of 3. For longer time frames like daily or weekly charts, you can use a higher ATR period and multiplier. Try an ATR period of 14 and a multiplier of 3.5. These settings help the Supertrend adapt to the volatility of different time frames, giving you more accurate signals. Interpreting buy and sell signals. Interpreting the Supertrend for buy and sell signals is straightforward. When the Supertrend line turns green and appears below the price, it's a buy signal, indicating an uptrend. Conversely, when it turns red and appears above the price, it's a sell signal, indicating a downtrend. Remember, the Supertrend is most effective in trending markets, so use it with caution in sideways or choppy markets. Using Supertrend with other indicators. To enhance the reliability of your trades, it's a good idea to use the Supertrend in combination with other indicators. For example, pairing it with the Relative Strength Index, RSI, can provide more robust signals. If the Supertrend indicates a buy signal and the RSI is below 30, indicating an oversold condition, it can be a strong indication to enter a long position. This combination helps filter out false signals and confirms the trend direction. Risk management. Before we wrap up, let's briefly talk about risk management. Even the best indicators can give false signals, so it's crucial to have a solid risk management strategy. Always use stop-loss orders to protect your trades and never risk more than a small percentage of your trading capital on a single trade. This way, you can manage your losses and stay in the game for the long term. That's all for today's video on the Supertrend Indicator. We hope you found it useful and that it helps you make more informed trading decisions. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. For a more in-depth info on this indicator, visit our website at brokercheck.co.za. Thanks for watching and happy trading!